In the Summer 24 release, Salesforce has introduced some changes to enhance the user experience as a Salesforce admin when you are editing or creating Lightning record pages that use dynamic forms. From Salesforce Setup under Object Manager, you can select an object and then dive straight into any Lightning record pages. From here, I can edit the pages, and I'm going to toggle onto the Details tab and Fields to show you the new blank space component. You can now use this to evenly space out fields and insert gaps between important fields, for example, to make the information on the page easier to read. Going back to the Object Manager, you'll notice that when you create a new field, that the field creation wizard now allows you to automatically add new fields to the dynamic forms enabled Lightning record pages. This is an easier way to make sure that when you are creating fields, you don't forget to add them to the associated pages. Now going back to my Lightning record page, on my account record page, when I edit this, you'll now see that the external ID field has been added